Alright, got it running real reliably now. Starts in a couple turns as long as you don't stop it by fuel starvation. As long as you just stop it with the ignition and it's kind of preloaded with fuel the next time. It doesn't need so much priming. Just a couple turns with the choke on. Needles are pretty much factory. I am running a pump. I do think the pump does make a difference with the needle settings. I had a pump burnout and the needle settings changed, but I'm back to factory with the pump. So here we go. This is warmed up, but you get the idea. That's starting on idle. You see it's about 1,000 RPM. That's why it took so many turns. I think it starts a little better around 1,500 RPM throttle setting. Real smooth. Can't even kill it if I want to. That 2,500 RPM will be plenty of power for flying. Full throttle will be overkill with this thing's going in, but I know someone who had a similar UMS engine and they said that it just wasn't that fast in a Warbird, so I think this is just more of a scale engine in my opinion, but I also haven't flown with it yet. I'm going to have a smoke system on it. Beautiful engine. Like I said, it's hard to even kill. Probably adjust the idle up just a little bit just for preventing dead sticks just in case.